My name's Becca Goddard and I'm doing the extended diploma in art and design. And my favourite thing about the course is the fact that there's so much variety in what we make and what we learn. So the Royal Opera House Challenge is where you are given the opera that they will perform that year, and you have to either design a set for it, marketing strategy, costume, hair and makeup, or a prop, and you have to design all those things you get given 4 directors' visions, so you get to choose which categories you want to design in. So I chose director's vision 4 because it talked about the mental health of one of the main characters in the opera. It started off with researching artists. I researched Gary McCann, who is a set designer, and I also researched Carlos Cruz Diaz, who is an installation and lighting artist, and that's how I got the inspiration to make my set all focused on the lights and the colours. I won the director's choice. If you were to make any, you would choose to make mine. Well, I was actually really surprised because I found out that when Trinity won as well, found out she won for set design, and I thought that was the only category, so I was really happy for her. And then James told us that I won the director's choice, and I didn't realise there was another category, so I was quite shocked that I won something as well. One of the main things that I learned here was the printmaking course, because I've not previously had access to the big printing presses, and that was like my favourite project of first year. And I did a series of screen printing for the Royal Opera House project, but I went into set design and prop design, so I couldn't enter the screen prints. But last minute we changed over, and instead of making a prop to go along with my set, I did a poster as well, so I actually was in 2 different categories. When I was in year 11, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I knew that art was kind of the thing I was best at and most passionate about, but I didn't know if I wanted to do photography or graphic design or fine art, and I couldn't choose in time. I panicked a bit, but then I came to an open day here and I saw that there was a course where you could do a little bit of everything over the 2 years, and I really liked the idea that I could develop other skills and things I hadn't been able to try in secondary school, and I could also practice the things I was really enjoying, and it meant that I didn't have to pressure myself into making a choice too soon. I really liked that, being able to explore a variety of things.